So I'm going to be going over how to change your graph types. To do this, we'll start by going into Metric Explorer and plotting this IP address. Now I'm just going to plot the top 10 here. And you'll notice right now it's currently plotting the average. Now if we switch this, we can look at, say, the n of each of these numbers. Now, in order to change our graph type, all we have to do is hover on this dot 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 and then hover on the bar or pie chart and choose what type we want. Let's take a look at the n. Now this is something called double aggregation. What it means is right now we're looking at the n of the average. So, as you'll notice, all but two of these points have the value of 181, and one of them has the value of 5, and one of them has the value of 3. Now, if we look at the n of the n, you'll notice that things change. We're now seeing that our values are very different. We now have one of them that has 1, whereas before we didn't. And you can keep doing this. You can look at different types of aggregations. So say you want the max number of your lowest value. You would look at the max of your min. So the smallest value, the biggest smallest value, for example, of this one. And you can tell what aggregation you're looking at by hovering over it and looking at the number. And in parentheses, you'll notice that it tells you the aggregation type next to it. Now, you can do the exact same thing for both bar and pie chart. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get this over to the dashboard? Well, there's two good ways. The first is to save it to your clipboard. Come over to your dashboard. And you can just paste it over an existing graph or in a blank section. We'll paste ours here. Hit the OK button. Let it reload. And now you'll notice that you're looking at the graph we were earlier. You can also come over here and say you want to change the stats CPU from this current nice line chart to a bar chart. All you have to do is choose your bar chart, hit the save button, and you're done. And you'll see we selected the end, so it shows us that we're looking at the end. And that's all you have to do.